Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys a little hack to make those wigs that are too small fit on your head. I run into this issue quite a lot and usually cutting the ear tabs help, but in this case that did not help. This method is low hairline and big head friendly, so if you have either of the two, this is for you. Make sure to keep watching to see how I get this done, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Let's get right into this, y'all. So we are working with one of my favorite brands, LUVME Hair. Literally all the wigs I've received from them have been nothing short of perfection, and this one is no exception. This is their 22-inch 13x4 undetectable lace kinky straight wig. Now I love a good kinky straight wig, and this looks exactly like natural textured hair that's been blown out, which essentially makes it look so much more natural, like your actual hair. We love that for us. And as you can see, it's extremely full. Like, look at all of that body on it, like sheesh. For the actual install, I'm going to be trying out a new wig adhesive from LUVME. I have the regular version and the sensitive version and their wig skin protectant spray. For styling, I did straighten the wig and it's giving that straight yaki texture, which is exactly the look I was going for. First things first, the reason why this fits so terribly on my head was probably because of my braids. Now, I'm trying to be a nail girl, y'all, and this time I got them a little bit too long, so braiding was definitely a challenge, but I got the job done, so that's all that matters. But they do look a little jankier than usual, and they came out a little more chunky than usual too, but you know what, we're not even gonna talk about that. So this part is pretty self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch until I get to the crucial parts. You definitely want to try on the wig after you finish doing whatever cap method of your choice, just so you can see if you need to cut off any more. And in this case, I saw that the cap was a bit small, so I decided to cut the cap a bit further back and further up on the sides. And you want to do this if you face the problem of your cap or your wig being too small. Once I have it cut, I go back and clean up the front with some alcohol and then try on the wig again. The spray I ended up using was the red one, which is the regular spray, and it honestly smelled so much better than the sensitive. Now, when I actually started putting it on, that's when I realized that this is not a normal non-fitting wig, okay? This was like an extra small. This was like me trying to squeeze a small into an extra small. It was just not, it wasn't doing it for me. I used some water to lift the wig back up, and now we're gonna go into the hack that you can use. I made sure to cut off the elastic band that was inside of the wig because that definitely was making the wig fit a bit snug. Make sure to cut the ear tab so you can really see where the wig will sit when everything is cut. Now comes the most important part. You're going to section out the sides of your hair to match where the wig's gonna sit, and for me, this was basically most of my sideburns. You can do the same for the front of your hair as well if you have a low hairline. In this case, I just got a big head. My hairline isn't necessarily low. Now I'm going in with the skin protectant, and it also smelled pretty good. I noticed that with some of these sprays and protectants, they smell like pure chemicals, which gives me anxiety and just turns me off from using any of it. So I ended up using this one. I sprayed it on the cotton pad because that's what the instructions said to do, and then just swiped it all over my forehead. I used one layer of the adhesive spray on my hairline, then laid that down and sprayed another on top of the lace and dried it with my blow dryer. I will say that I really do love this wig adhesive. It's super, super strong, but like it literally comes off with water. It kind of reminds me of Bold Hold, the liquid gold. Like it's really, really strong, but water is all it takes. And I love that because I don't keep my wigs on for too long. So I need my wig to be able to come up in 2.5 seconds. Once everything is laid down, I go in with my elastic band to really get that melt in. Then I'm going in and cutting all of that extra lace off and cleaning up the front with some water. So this is what the side ends up looking like, and don't worry about the texture being different. We're going to, you know, fix all of that. So I take out some of the hair from the wig to go along with my hair just to get that swoop started, okay? Then I go in with my hot comb and straightener to straighten and curl my hair with the hair from the wig. When you're cutting your sideburn, you want to make sure that you cut the hair from the wig around the same length as your hair. You don't want to cut any of your hair off. That's not what we're doing here, okay, guys? I used a wax stick to lay it down at first so it just wouldn't curl back up. Later on, I ended up using my edge booster to lay it down, but boom, you got the perfect fitting wig. That's all that really matters. Now I'm just putting some loose curls and layers in the wig. Like, y'all, this wig is honestly so easy to style. I love styling kinky straight hair because it just mimics our hair so much. Like, love it. Love it. All right, y'all, so this is after I've done my makeup. I didn't really clean up the cast on the wig yet, but I just wanted to show you guys what it was giving just straight after the makeup, because the makeup was given today. So you may run into the issue where it looks like you kind of have a bit of a bald spot in that side part. So all I did was take some black lip liner and lightly put it on the part and smudge it in until it looks natural. You can also use a little spoolie to make it look natural. I also have these eyebrow pens which has the spoolie at the end, so you could do that. Mascara, anything really that's black you can use there. Even a powder. I just didn't have any black powder near me, which is why I used the pencil. I decided to go ahead and try to style this hair out even more. So these last few clips is just me styling the hair a bit. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell if you haven't already, just so you're notified when I post new videos. Thumbs this video up if you like what you see and if you want more videos like this from me. And of course, comment down below. Do we like this hack? Have we tried this before? Are we loving these styles? Let me know down below. Make sure to share this with your friends, family, homegirls, homeboys, all those people. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.